పరమాత్మ సమారంభం ఋషిగణ మధ్యమం సద్గురు పర్యంతం వందే గురు పరంపరం ఆదేశ్ జై మహాకాల్. I would like to tell something about the white fungus. Generally, some areas or some countries generally having some kind of fungus. These are the common, but unfortunately sometimes that type of fungus very roughly spread and attack to the human body's health. So due to that cause point of view, in this situation, this type of fungus in our country very fastly spread and attack to the human body's health. So sometimes this is cause of human health death also. So we are all beware about this type of fungal infections. Now we can see the cause of white fungus. The main cause is deficiency of immunity power or essential power. So you are all remember that most of the diseases attack to our body by the cause of only immunity deficiency. So I'm seriously requesting to all the Indian people, so don't comment to China country, or don't comment to Pakistani people, or don't comment to our government, or don't comment to anyone. Everyone concentrates on their own immunity power only. If you have a improper immunity power, then any virus, any fungal, anything, any person, any government can't touch with you. So this is the, please remember all the people, so protect our immunity power. So the main cause of white fungus is the immunity deficiency. The second one is long run period we are using steroid medicines, then that is also one of the major cause of arising the white fungus. And anyone is taking the cancer treatment, like cancer treatment, mostly in that cancer treatment radiation therapy is there. So in that radiation therapy also sometimes cause of the arising the white fungus. And HIV persons, AIDS patients, there are also some chance for the arising the white fungus, because in HIV also the immunity deficiency viral infection. So that type of disease also some chance for arising the white fungus. And is anyone change their kidneys, so in that time also arising the white fungus. And long run diabetic, that patients also arising the white fungus. And some medical professionals expressed some opinion also there, that is the, if any COVID patient use the oxygen cylinder, that cylinder if you use to another person, so maybe arise the white fungus. This is also some medical professionals opinion. So these are the causes of the white fungus. Now we can see the symptoms of white fungus. The main symptoms is commonly symptoms is there, those are the cough, fever, diarrhea, and decrease our oxygen levels. That is also very main dangerous symptom of the white fungus. And in our lungs, on the lungs, some dark spots arising also one of the major symptom of white fungus. Just observe these all the symptoms. These all the symptoms mostly belongs to COVID. It's a coronavirus. So, but these all the symptoms available in the coronavirus also. But suppose you what I am told now, that symptoms appear any person. If you test COVID test to that patient, but the COVID negative is there. Suppose the COVID negative is there, these all the symptoms available on the one person's body, then we can suspect as a white fungus. So this is the remember all the persons. Please remember this. Note that point. Now you can see the this is white fungus physiology information. White fungus can arise any person, non-COVID also. Non-COVID persons also 100% chance for effect by the white fungus. Here mostly that white fungus started area mostly in our mouth and on the tongue and genital organs area. Mostly started these areas. Next it's affected to liver, lungs, brain, kidney, and it can show on the nails and skin also, and its affects to our stomach, intestine and metabolic system. These all the areas white fungus will spread it. So these all main organs white fungus is spreading, and obviously the patient become a more severe dangerous position. So this is the very important for white fungus. Okay, white fungus related symptoms available in our body. Then what type of how will confirm this is the white fungus or not? The mostly some important tests also there, lab tests. These are the chest X-ray and HRCT. That is the one kind of CT scan. That HRCT on the chest, and mucus culture. These three is the major test for the white fungus identification point of view. After that, in organ based point of view, kidney function test like serum creatine or blood urea like that. Abdomen ultrasound, colonoscopy, endoscopy, liver function test, sometimes PFT, pulmonary function test. These type test, all the tests also according to symptom based point of view, physicians can examine. So the major test is the chest X-ray, HRCT scan, mucus culture. These three is the very important for the white fungus is affected to our body or not. We can confirm by using of these three tests. Now you can see the diet and habitual thing related to white fungus. Mostly we can avoid the opposite action food, and we have to avoid malnutrition also, because we have to protect and we increase our immunity power. That is very important. At the same time we can what type of food increasing the skin related complaints or fungus related infections, then we have to avoid for that. So this is the very important thing. And we can doing some regularly some exercises, body fitness exercises, and doing the yoga and meditation. These are all the very helpful for this type of complaints. We can avoid the daytime sleep. At the same time mostly you can avoid curd and black color brinjal and some kind of sweets and deep fried items and fast foods. These are all the things you have to avoid. So this is the very important for diet and habitual point of view. And if you have any complaint, then you can consult whoever available near to your area in Ayurveda or Siddha physicians, then you can consult with them, then they can guide you. So this is the very very important for diet and habitual point of view white fungus. Now we can see the what is the treatment of white fungus. In treatment oriented point of view, mostly antifungal medications and fungal treatment point of view only allopathy physician they are treated. It will get the good result also. So that is the very very important. Mostly in Ayurveda Siddha point of view, generally treatment oriented symptomic based treatment like Laksanika Chikitsa. Suppose somebody in white fungus point of view, somebody affected to liver, somebody affected to kidney, somebody affects to brain. So whatever that symptom based treatment only we can give that. At the same time, body point of view, what type of nature of the body, that nature of the body also we can treat that. And antifungal point of view, we can give the medication, and immunity base also we can give the medication, because we have to protect our immunity and we have to increase our resistance power. So this is the very very important for that. So by doing these type of treatments only we can we can clear and curing the white fungus. At the same time, as well as black fungus also. Already black fungus point of view, the full-fledged information already available in our channel. So whatever fungal infection, whatever viral infection, the Ayurveda and Siddha, especially our Indian medications point of view, very excellent medications and very excellent treatment also available. Sometimes this fungal infections point of view, sometimes some patients may need for sadhana chikitsa. Sadhana chikitsa means purified treatment, which is nothing but panchakarma related like that. So we can give that treatment also. So this is the white fungal point of view information. So all are beware about white fungal infections as well as black fungus also. So first of all, the best remedy for this type of infections avoiding point of view, increasing your immunity level. That is the very very important thing. Okay, thank you. Atma Namaskaram.